My name is Michael. I'm a personal trainer. I've been training for about 10 years. I've had many injuries in the past, some in my earlier years when I was a little bit naive with my training before qualifying as a personal trainer. Freak accident happened while I was training a client. So a 20 kilo Olympic bar fell off its footing or its placing. Hands extended, holding a TRX with just a suspension trainer. Just landed on the forearm, snapped the tendon straight off the bone. Then I came to you guys because the whole process of going for the inches is a little bit long, and I thought, you know, it's on site. Once I grabbed you guys, very quickly you were able to diagnose it and then refer me on. I personally feel like when you're dealing with an injury, you're in a vulnerable situation, especially if it's a serious injury, so you always want to be cautious in how quickly you proceed with your rehab. But the good thing with Complete is I completely trusted them in terms of when to push, what was too much, when to progress it, when to pull back if necessary. I would 100% recommend Complete Physio to family, friends, and I do so now with my existing clients. Super approachable, super swifted at dealing with referrals, booking appointments, and any relevant information, which is really helps me going forward with my existing clients.